Hi guys, now welcome back to my channel, and you can see right here I'm holding a carton, and on the surface here you can see here is a fan. So guys, today I got a solar fan, and the fan name here you can see here is Infinisolar Rechargeable fan. Today the world is quickly transforming into solar and inverter, so because of that I am also trying to transform with the world's technology. You see, right here I have an OS fan here already, but because the world is transforming into solar and inverter, I have got this very solar fan that has very low energy consumption. So guys, in today's video, come and join me while I do the unboxing of this very fan. Maybe in my next video, I will show you on how you can couple this fan, and maybe in my next video, I'll make an experiment on how many hours this fan can last after being charged. Just as here, it is being written 26 hours after being charged. So guys, now come with me while I unbox this very solar rechargeable fan. Alright. So guys, this is how the fan looks. Let me give you a clearer view of the fan. Let me go down so I can see the spec. I want you to see or to have a view of the whole thing. Maybe you may like it too. You can read all this, you can see it, right? Okay, now to unbox it, here is sealed with sellotape. I'll hold here. You can see, right? I'll hold right here. Drag it. The seal is very strong. Okay, so I'll pull this out, leave this up, have a clearer picture, then cut off the steering. Okay, here's the inside of the fan. This is all I will bring. The head. Wow. Here's the solar head. Remove the nylon. Here's the head actually. And here is all glass. And on the carton again here, we have this. This is what we can drop it here. Oh god, please. This other one. The whole thing's on the ground. And the carton again. I have this. There are two here. Look at two. On the carton again, I have the fan. Here's the fan. That's it. Place it on top. On the carton again. This nylon out. Okay, here's the solar panel. It comes with the panel. Let me see. You can check it by yourself. Solar panel, you can charge with light or with solar panel. On the carton again. Here's the stand. Adjustable stand. That's it, right? Keep it here. Got the whole thing. On the carton again here. Yes, charger. Let's remove. Let me bring it out. Charger. Okay, you can charge it with charger too. Okay. On the carton here again. Yes, the remote. It comes with the remote. Okay. Wow. Very good. I drop it here. And on the carton here again, it comes with a screwdriver. Don't worry, I will show you how to use it. I drop it here. On the carton here, it comes with this. On the carton here again, it comes with this extra screw. And on the carton here, it comes with these two. On the carton here, it comes with this screw, or these ones they are for coupling, and with the manual. So guys, here are all for the fan. You can see them right, and here the carton is empty. All here are the things that come with the solar fan. So in my next video, I'll be doing a video on how you can assemble or couple it. So for now, bye.